Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how easy you can scan QR codes on this device. So at the first you have to tap on the app gallery, then turn off this ad, tap on the search bar and type QR code, and you have to get one of this application. For example, we can take maybe the first one. Right now we can open. Okay, right now let's turn off this ad and prepare the code that you want to scan. I'm going for this one and click here to ready. Then accept the permission, grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code. And as you can see right now the code was scanned. I will show you how it looks another time because it was removed from the camera, so just take a look. You have your code, then you put it in the frame, and there we go. We can open the link, we can share as text, copy to clipboard. So let's open the link. As you can see here, we got the website from the antivirus. Let's turn off this ad, of course. So as you can see, that's how we can scan the QR codes on your Honor 9X Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!